Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss how to use automatic defibrillator for CPR process. In medical emergency case, if you don't have the AED device or pads, you have to give them CPR manually as in multiple videos we discussed earlier. But if you have the AED device or automatic defibrillator, you must have to use in the right way. For AED device, we have two pads. First of all, you have to place the pad on the correct locations. The right pad you have to put on the bare chest. If you don't have the shaving kit on your first aid, then you have to place the same strip on the chest and remove with the pressure so hair can be removed. You have to ensure that pad is properly contact with the body. Where you have to place the pad? Under the collarbone of right side. Instructions also given on the pad as well. Second pad you have to apply as per the instruction given on the pad, the lower left side of the chest of infected person. You have to ensure that both pads are properly contact with your body. Now we simply have to on the device.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Plug in pads connector next to flashing light.
AED will provide you all the instruction. We simply have to follow the instructions.
Pads, plug in connector. Analyzing heart rhythm.
AED will conduct an ECG.
Touch the patient.
Nobody should be in contact with the patient when analyzing the heartbeat.
Advised. Stay clear of patient. Shock now. Press the orange button now. Shock delivered. Begin CPR.
If there is no response, we have to continue the manually CPR without removing the pads. You have to continue the CPR until we got some response. AED also can be used for additional shock as well, but by that time you have to give the 30 compression, then you have to give a breath, then again you have to continue the CPR. So this is the right procedure, how we can use the automatic defibrillator for the CPR procedure. I hope this video is very useful to you. Every first aider must know how to use the AED or automatic defibrillator device for CPR in the case of any medical emergency. If you found this video is valuable, then please share the video with your friends and family. It can be very helpful for them in case of any emergency. At the end, I will request you to like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification of next upcoming video on time.